having fun with it. All right, I'm adding in some mayo. This is our favorite, Duke's. Like I said, just eyeball it. I'm guessing about a half cup, maybe a cup. And I'm gonna add in some shredded cheese as well. And I've got Mexican, but if you had mozzarella, Parmesan, feel free to add that. 2 handfuls. And now seasonings. All right, I'm going in with a little bit of onion powder, back with the lemon pepper. I've got red wine vinegar. Just gonna give that a couple good shakes. All right, and we're gonna stir it up. That looks really pretty. So I bought some croissants to make little sandwiches. So I'll put the chicken salad in those, but for now, let's give it a little taste. All right, give it a little taste. Looks good. It needs something. A little more red wine vinegar. See? Super easy. The rotisserie is $5. I already had all the other ingredients. I didn't need to spend $14 on chicken salad. And this made almost just about as much as it would have if I bought it already pre-made. So, winner, winner, chicken salad dinner. All right, I'm gonna put some of the chicken salad on one of these croissants. It's gonna be so good. How good does that look? That's the best vessel. A croissant, a flaky croissant, so soft, so tender. The chicken salad's so creamy. Oh, if you find yourself craving chicken salad sandwiches, go to Sam's, get the rotisserie, make it yourself, and then get the croissants. It's the best thing ever. I'm gonna finish this and finish making the sandwiches, and I'll see you later.